Let's try the new ZIIP HALO for the very first time. I'm so excited about it. And I'm going to use for the very first time this golden gel. I'm super curious about this gel, guys, because this is the most expensive from the brand. So I'm really curious to see what it does for the skin, especially when used with the new ZIIP HALO. Look at this, gorgeous. I just love the old version, so let's try the new one. It seems like it has a lot of good ingredients, so let's apply it all over the face. 4 pumps, I think it's enough for me. The scent is a bit minty. As you see, the texture looks like this. A bit liquidy, like an oil gel, something like this. Yes, the scent reminds me of the clear gel. It's a bit minty and fresh. And I think it's a bit more hydrating, feels a bit more hydrating on the skin immediately when I apply it. Feels more like a serum than a oil. And let's see how the new ZIIP feels on the skin. As you see, the sound is a bit different. And first of all, I'm going to use the first treatment, the preloaded treatment. Yes, the vibrations feels different, the sound is different. Do you hear? I think it's a bit more silent than the old version. And the preloaded treatment doesn't feel so strong as the old one. Feels super gentle. And I think the microcurrents feels a bit strong, but super gentle on the skin. Feels different. I think it's a bit stronger. It's a bit stronger, but it doesn't feel stronger on the skin, if you know what I mean. And I think it's a bit faster. The vibrations as well are faster, because when I used the old version, the vibration, when I did like this, the vibration started here. But now they start a bit earlier. Of course I have to use it often to see the results, like 3-4 times a week. But definitely it's a bit different than the older version. Okay, let's switch. Actually, I like this new guy. Definitely it's faster. This is my first impression. It's faster, and definitely the microcurrent feels more intense. Like you can hear them actually. I think this is a bit smarter than older version. And this golden gel really feels super nice on the skin. Super nice, super lightweight, like a super hydrating serum. My first treatment is done. I think now I'm going to do the next treatment, which is my favorite, the collagen one, and then I'll be back to you to tell you my first impressions. I'm done with the collagen treatment as well, and this is how my skin looks. As you see, the gel is very well absorbed. It's almost nothing left on the skin. My skin feels plump, soft. The only differences I can really feel are the currents. You can really hear them. It's like a ee sound. The vibration and also the sound is different. And I also think that this is a bit faster than the older version. It just feels faster on the skin.